have to be in attack mode. Don't be blocked out. You're not getting back on defense. Spin off, run one down, and go get it with two hands and get us an extra possession. You're diving on the floor, we're taking charges, and that's what this game is all about today. We want to stay in a hunt, we got to impose our will.
Welcome back to the Holman Centers. Indiana State gets set to take on Illinois State here at home today. Sycamore is trying to have their first 2-0 week in league play. And inside now to Murphy. Murphy in the lane, a hook shot is good, and it's 4-2.
Yeah, I'd like to see him going back down.
Barnes inbounds in the corner to Scott. His jumper good for three. Then it's 8-4 Indiana State at 8-0 Sycamore's run. Scott around Hine again, lays it up, it rims off. Loose ball grabbed by Key on the rebound. Barnes is open left wing a three. Rims out, rebound Thomas for the Sycamores, out to Barnes. Great effort by Indiana State.
Yep.
Thomas down low to Murphy. Murphy in the paint, a hook shot, good! It's 10-4, a 10-0 Sycamores run.
Yeah, that'll get the crowd going. That is a backbreaker for the defense.
Out has it right wing for Indiana State, a lob for Key. He dunks it and a foul. Hello, Tyreek Key. To Ojanaka, up top to Davis. Three-pointer is good, and it's 37-20.
A good extra pass there.
We go to the locker room with Indiana State in front of Illinois State, 42-27.
Yes, sir. Right now. Let's go. Every possession. Let's go, fellas. Let's go.
Barnes now to Kessinger. He drives by his defender and dunks it over Njai.
Thought he was going to go up, just put it up the left hand, but
4 to shoot. He splits the defense. A floater is good. Tough shot.
Beautiful.
Davis a steal all alone. He'll dunk it 360 with a spin. Barnes down court, a lob for Key. He lays it in. 79-42. Indiana State piloted on the Redbirds here this afternoon. Evans pass tipped away. Out to Gossman, a three. No good. Long rebound Davis. He's down court all alone. He'll go up and dunk with one hand. 81-42 Sycamores.
Crowd on their feet here. Guys have not let up.
He'll dribble out the final 10 seconds of the ball game as Indiana State improves to 10-10 on the year, 5-3 in the Valley. They blow out Illinois State today, 84-54 the final score.
Hey, you know what time it is. Old head over here with 360. Family on three, 1, 2, 3. Family. Good job, guys.